for you Lagoon owners, especially Lagoon 39, we're taking off our door. I can't remember where we got these, but they come in handy. And taking it because our rollers are, well, they're down there. We'll get another shot of that. But the door is really hard to slide open. You have these little, and we've been trying to find videos on this and just can't find anything. But there's these little, I think they're a security measure on the door, and they go up here. You take those out, which allows you to rise the door so you can get it along the bottom track. But there's also something else holding the door up. We couldn't get the inside of this door up enough to lift it out of the track. It has these little shims on the very top of the door up here, and you take them out with a star. They just have one screw each. They were in like this so you can get them while the door's closed. Take that screw out, slide these out. Then you'll be able to lift the door up and get it out of the bottom of the track. I was close just to taking some kind of a saw and sawing some of this track out back on that side just to get the bottom of the track. So now that we got it off, and we looked everywhere for this, and no help from Lagoon parts manuals or anything.
Who figured out?
Boom!
These parts?
Booyah! Sarah did.
I can do a little maintenance on
Yes,
that.
so work as a team, and we did it. Now we're going to take the door off, set it on a table, take a look at our rollers and see exactly what's going on, see if they're stuck or worn. We finally got hold of Lagoon parts guy, who is going to ship us a couple rollers. But let's go ahead and take a look, see what this door looks like on the bottom. Yep. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and slide your bottom end out.
Hold on. Stay right there.
Okay. Now, let's see, drop this. Now you're gonna have to lift the bottom end of your door above
Okay.
this.
Okay.
I got the top.
Hold on to it.
I got it. Oh, we may have to turn it a little bit.
We are. Now just go to the table. Careful, careful, careful.
Okay.
I can't imagine what this door costs.
And just like this. All right, here's the top of the door.
Are rollers supposed to be round or square? Are wheels
See,
round?
I thought there was something in here to adjust, but there's nothing up there. That's the top of the door.
Holy cow. Hold on.
Oh, get a flashlight. There you go.
Look at
Ooh,
that.
that one wasn't rolling.
That is square.
That's squared out.
Look at this one. It's worse.
Oh my. Now it's totally squared out. Well, at least that one. Oh gosh, look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do some cleaning on this thing. This video on this taking apart the door is probably going to have a whole bunch of couple of short little clips on it. But this screw right here, if you're wondering what that's for, that I believe allows you to slide this adjuster out. So this adjuster has little Allen screws. I think that's a number 3 right here, millimeter. The adjustment, yeah, there's adjustment inside right here that adjusts the rollers upside and down. That's a number 4 millimeter. So I'm going to take apart this Phillips screw. It comes through here, right there, and that will, of course, after I take the Allen wrenches off this, that will allow that to slide out. If you don't want to take the tracks out, of course, if you want to take this track out at the, the door rides on, you take the 3 screws off on the edge, 1, 2, and there's another at the end, and this whole piece comes off, and then this whole track right here will slide out. You could also, what I thought of, if you notch this out a little bit, that whole track will slide out. But if you just want to take the wheels off, you can just pry them out And they pry out just like that. So you can see this one is pretty corroded, wasn't turning, and it's really flat on one side. Our rollers in for our sliding door today, sliding salon door, and here's what they look like out of the package. Yeah, there you go. So it kind of pivots a little bit right through here. You can see it kind of goes up and down. If you want to take the wheels out, they slide out. 2 set screws, one here and one here. And this is the screw right here that allows it to adjust up and down a little bit, and it pushes this up and down. So this is the inner part of the bottom of our door. One here, and there's one on the back side of the door. So I'll replace that here soon, and it should slide a lot easier. 70 bucks for 2 of these little things. Well, we got the door rollers on, and check this out. It's a heavy door, but it rolls pretty good now.